This blueberry muffin is a great way to start your healthy lifestyle because it encourages you to use healthy flours like almond flour and whole wheat flour, and also all-purpose flour. But what this is going to do is to encourage you to get used to the healthy taste of healthy flours like almond flour, and then over time you can phase out the all-purpose flour from your recipes and gradually enjoy other flours that are more nutritional to your bodies. So give those flour a good mix, and then next we're going to prepare our wet ingredients, which we're going to mix together. In a bowl, put some almond milk in there, and then next we're going to put in some avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil, and then some eggs. And then the next thing is some sweetener. I used allulose because it has 0 calories and has no effect on your blood sugar. So if you're a diabetic, you want to research allulose and see that it is good for you. Follow that with some vanilla, and you can also use other non-refined sugars of your choice. Follow that also with some lemon zest. Next, get some blueberries. Sprinkle some almond flour or whole wheat flour on it just to coat the blueberries, and then give your wet ingredients a very good mix. This healthy lifestyle that most people are trying to live, most of us are trying to cling to, and just make sure that we follow through till the end to get amazing results and make sure that we heal our bodies and age in good health, sometimes can be really difficult. And the taste of pastries that we're used to, most of them have all-purpose flour in it. So I believe that if you gradually introduce or gradually phase out the all-purpose flour from most of your recipes, it will help you embrace these new healthy recipes better, because over time you give your taste buds the time to get used to oat flour, almond flour, and gluten-free flour depending on your health status. So gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and try not to over mix, but just stir that in till it is all well mixed together. This muffin can actually stay on the counter for about 4 days. I haven't tried it for more than 4 days, and I honestly didn't refrigerate it, but you can do that, but I don't know if it's gonna change the texture or anything. I basically just left it on the counter and it tastes just fine, and the kids love it, adults love it. You can use this as breakfast or lunch or any time of the day, snack for work, or even snack for the kids to go to school. So like I said, just at the point where everything has fully mixed together, try not to overdo it because you don't want your muffin to be dense. Okay, so about this time it is ready for us to pour into our muffin tray. Blueberries are very high in antioxidants and they are good for cardiovascular health. So coating the blueberries with some flour just ensures that the blueberries is well attached to the muffin and it doesn't just stick out or stand out in the muffin. Okay, so make sure that everything bakes well together and sticks together and binds together in the muffin batter. So this is what it looks like. Again, do not over mix, just make sure that the blueberries are evenly distributed in the muffin batter. Okay, so after doing this, we're going to be baking this for 325 degrees in the oven and for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to check this at intervals because oven differs, so you want to make sure that you keep checking this. And when this is about slightly brown, and of course if you stick like a toothpick in it and it doesn't stick and comes out clean, you know that your muffin is ready. So I use this colorful silicone muffin mold just because it's colorful and it makes it fun for my kids. So if you're doing this with kids, this is an amazing approach to doing this. Okay, so next we want to pour our batter in there. It helps if you use the same size of a measuring cup to fill the entire muffin, just to make sure that the entire muffin comes out evenly and about the same size. Otherwise you can use what you have, but that's the trick to getting even sized muffins. Alright, so I encourage you to really try this recipe. If this recipe is something that you like, or has just spoken to you, that you really don't have to wait for you to do the extreme to be healthy. You can just gradually introduce this. Like you see in this recipe, I didn't use any butter. I used healthy oils. I used avocado. You can also use extra virgin olive oil, and of course I use eggs and almond milk, so and almond flour and whole wheat flour and fresh blueberries, like I said. So this is healthy for you, and then gradually you can phase out the all-purpose flour and then just stick to healthier flours for you and your metabolic system and your overall health. And this is nutritious, like I said. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Drop your comments below. Surely I would reply to them. And then also suggestions and thoughts about this recipe is also well appreciated. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends and family to bless them. If this is your path, if being healthy, staying healthy is your path, is healing your body is your path, then this is the right video for you. This is the right channel for you. So thank you so much for your time in watching my video. I want to say that God bless you, God enrich you, God lift you up, and that the peace of God continue to rest upon you and your families, even as you strive to eat healthy, that the healthy journey, healthy lifestyle will pay off, and eventually you begin to see results in your life and in your health. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and bye bye.